In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize a watch list using TradingView, a powerful platform for tracking various financial markets. Whether you're new to trading or just looking to streamline your asset monitoring process, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to effectively manage your investments. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to TradingView. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, you'll find a range of tools at your disposal. But today we're focusing on creating and organizing a watch list that meets your needs. Once you've logged into your TradingView account, look toward the right-hand side of the interface. Here, you'll see an option labeled Watchlist. Go ahead and click on this to open the Watchlist panel. This feature is incredibly handy for keeping an eye on selected stocks, currencies, or other financial instruments you find most pertinent. Within your watch list, your next step is to add items. To do this, search for and click on Add Symbol. This function allows you to enter the ticker symbol of any market asset you want to add to your watch list. For example, if you're interested in tracking a specific stock, currency, or commodity, simply type in the corresponding ticker symbol and press Enter. This is a quick way to keep your most relevant assets just a click away, so you can always stay up to date with the market's immediate moves. Now, as your watch list begins to grow, you may want to organize it for better clarity. TradingView lets you add sections to your watch list, allowing you to group certain assets together. Find and click on the Add Section option to do this. After adding a section, you can rename it to make sure it reflects the category or group of assets it contains, perhaps by asset type, sector, or your own custom classification. Once you have your sections named, you might want to quickly find a specific item in your watch list. To do that, use the search function. Simply type in the name or ticker symbol of the item you're looking for, and TradingView will swiftly bring it up for you. It's an easy and efficient method to locate assets in a long list without having to scroll manually. When you find assets that are no longer a priority or relevant, you can also manage them efficiently. By selecting the asset and clicking Add, you can include them within sections, and if you need to remove any, just press Delete. This ensures that your watch list remains current and useful, reflecting only the markets you care about. By following these steps, you'll have a well-organized, streamlined watch list on TradingView that's tailored to your investment interests, making it easy to track and respond to market trends efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.